Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's Halloween video, I want to show you guys how to draw a cartoon Halloween cupcake. Now, to start off with this, we're going to begin with the top of the cupcake, and I'm going to put a little skull on top of it. So we're going to start right up here, and I'm going to draw a little circle like this. And then I'm going to leave some space and I'm going to draw another little circle right here. I want to try to make those about the same size. And real quickly, I'm going to color in these circles all black. Now, right in between here, I want to draw the nose. So to do that, I'm just going to make a little line that comes down here, and then a little line that goes up, kind of like a little V shape. And I might make this actually just a little bit bigger. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to curve around the eye. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to curve around and come up to here. Then I'll do the same thing here. I'm going to curve around the eye and come right up to here. Now, right in between here, we're going to add a couple little bumps. We'll put 1, 2, and 3 little bumps for our skull. And then up here, I want to draw a line that goes up, over, and then comes down. So I'm going to go up, over, and come down. I didn't quite do just like a round, sad face. I just kind of almost made it like it had 2 corners on it. Now, starting here, we want to make the frosting of our cupcake. So you want to start right here, and we're going to make kind of like 2 lines that just curve down onto our picture. Let's start here. We'll draw a little line that curves down. And right over here, we'll make another line that curves down here. Now we want to make some wavy lines. We'll keep these kind of big, and we'll make the frosting. So just make some big wavy lines on your cupcake for the frosting. Now I'm going to start here, and you want to draw a line that goes down. It's going to curve around and then come up to here. So I'm going to go down. We're going to curve around and bring it right up to here. Next, starting here, I want to draw 2 lines that are going to come down, and instead of coming just straight down, they're going to come in at just a little bit of an angle. So as you can see, we're going to draw a line that goes down at an angle. Then right in here, we're going to do the same thing. And then I want to connect this with like a smiley face or like a curved line. Now, right on top of our cupcake, I want to add just a few little details. So I'm going to add a few little sprinkle shapes all along here, just for some detail on here. So we'll just make little circles all around here. Then right on here, I want to add a little face onto our cupcake. So I'm going to start here. We're going to make a circle, and then we'll put another circle right over here. We'll add 2 little circles inside of here, and then just color in the inside. Then right across the middle, I'm going to make a little straight line with a big smiley face on it, and a little curved line for the tongue. And I'm just going to color in this top part here. Then right across here, I'm going to add 2 little lines going down to make it look like it's kind of evil. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add a few little lines coming down my cupcake, just so I can kind of see the wrapper on there. And there you go. There is your drawing of a little Halloween cupcake. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.